Hey there, I wanted to share how I'm using Figjam to help plan out my website and portfolio that I'm building. So when I am trying to figure out what goes on what page, especially when it comes to my portfolio, I was really struggling. I had sticky notes everywhere, but the problem with sticky notes is they get lost, or if you need to work on it and you're not where your sticky notes are, doesn't really help you out. So I am using Figjam because it lets me build out flowcharts to really plan out how I am organizing all of my content as I redesign my page. So I'm going to walk you through this really quick, and then I am going to actually show you how I made this. So you can see I started here with my home page, and then I kind of created branches going off to every single part. And I color coded this because I wanted to make it really easy for me to see. So anything that is purple is basically a button that links you to a page with examples. And if it's red, that means it is on my to-do list, haven't gotten there yet. And then arrows, right, show you how everything's linked together. And then I also have green, which shows you those are all the different pieces that I have put in there. So for example, when I look here at my microlearning course, right, I have anything that I have included on here. And then I can also start to flag things. So as I was going through my slide, I noticed that some things on my color basic slide deck page were not lined up properly. So that's why I have my little sticker there to help me remember, hey, go fix that. And then if I'm missing something, right, I can use the stickers to help flag things. Over here, it's red because I want to add this, but I haven't put that in yet. So that way I don't forget when I have that great idea. And then some pages will kind of link to the same thing. So for example, a lot of my instructional design products are actually the same, really aligned with my job aids and resources. So rather than recreating those pages, I can just have my job aids and resources linked. So you can see if I follow, right, my arrows, they go right up to what they link to. And that lets me just kind of direct my audience to the same items, even if maybe they went to a different part of my portfolio for those specific tools. So this is how I kind of organized my website and is helping me plan out what I'm doing. I'm going to quickly show you now how you can do this on your own. So I'm going to come over here to a new spot, and all you're going to do is you're going to come down to your shape tool over here. I'm going to change my shape. I like using the rectangle, but really, right, there's any shape here you can use. And all you're going to do is you're going to click, and then you can drag it out. You can type what you want to do. Maybe you want to put home. And then if I want to have this linked to another page, as I click on it, you can see I have this little down arrow, and all I have to do is click that, and ta-da, new page, right? So maybe my home page, I want to link to my resume. I can also come up here and I can change the color, right? So you can change any of the colors here. You can also create your custom colors, brand new feature on Figma or Figjam, which is amazing because I love my custom colors. That is very bright. We're going to tone that down a little bit. And you can also change the text size. So, right, if you have like some of my stuff is a little wordy, I'm going to change my text size so you can choose kind of pre-established ones, or you can actually type in your font size there. You can bold, you can make your lines thicker, and again, you can have things link in any direction, right? So if I want to go this way, I can click that. If I want to have home also linked to this, all I need to do is when I click home, I'm going to have my arrow here, and then I'm just going to drag, and once that square lines up, I'll have it linked to there as well. I can also change how my arrows fit. So these little blue bars I can kind of change. So if I want this to kind of come in because I'm going to have something else here, I can play around with how my arrows flow as well. So lots to play with on Figjam. Highly recommend it as a tool for organizing your thoughts, especially on bigger projects. The flowchart feature is amazing, especially since you can color code. You can use these stickers down here. So again, this is where I got those stickers to be able to call attention. Right? If I come to stickers, you can see my recents. This is that alert sticker I use, annotation, and you can also add in so many other comments. So definitely follow me if you want to see some more Figjam tips and tools. But if you're planning out a website or portfolio, this is a great tool to use.